In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple payment methods on Amazon. This is a particularly handy feature if you want the flexibility of choosing how you pay for different purchases, or if you're looking to maximize rewards across different cards. So let's dive in and get started. First, we need to head over to the Amazon website, so open up your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with Amazon's familiar homepage. Next, you'll want to sign into your account. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials if you aren't signed in yet, and get ready to explore. Now that you're signed in, let's navigate back to the Amazon homepage to set everything up. You can easily do this by clicking on the Amazon logo at the top left of the page. Once you're back on the homepage, locate the Accounts and Lists menu at the top of the screen. Click on it and this will bring up a drop-down menu with various options from which you can choose. From this drop-down, look for and click on Your Payments. This section is where you manage all your payment information on Amazon. Amazon makes it quite simple by gathering all your financial details in one handy spot. Once you're on the Your Payments page, let's focus on how to add a new payment method. You'll see a button that says Add a Payment Method. Click on this button to proceed. Amazon offers a variety of payment options including credit cards, debit cards and more. You can also add an Amazon store card if you have one. When you decide which payment method you want to add, select it from the provided list. For credit and debit cards, you'll need to input your card number, the name on the card, and the expiration date. For other methods like bank accounts or gift cards, follow the on-screen instructions to ensure you add them correctly. Once all your details are entered and verified, your new payment method will be added to your account, and you'll have the flexibility to choose from multiple payment options when making future purchases on Amazon. This feature not only gives you choice, but also facilitates better budgeting and financial management. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage and add multiple payment methods on Amazon. This can really make a big difference in how you shop and pay for items, making it more convenient and efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.